Your name's what?
Hi, I'm T Kaka.
My name is Jay.
What? I forgot. Sorry.
My name's Julia. She's stupid.
I'm
no,
Kiana.
don't
I think
say
they're
our
crazy.
names. And we're going to be doing the cinnamon challenge.
Dude, I'm like in a bad. Okay.
I don't even have a
Ready?
bunch of sugar on that. Cinnamon on that.
Yes, we do.
Ready?
That's not a lot.
Ready? Set. Go.
Kaylin. Kaylin, do it. Jalen, really?
Back up here, please.
Seriously? Y'all need to clean all this up. I told you not to do it, you don't listen.
I need my water.
Don't do the cinnamon challenge.
Now come clean up the table, nincompoop.
Don't try this. You will regret it. I just throw.
Y'all got it all over the screen.